Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I am going to share you this Valentine Day soft and subtle makeup look. I hope you like it. And if you like my video, I request you to please like and subscribe my channel for future updates. And let's begin with the makeup look. And before proceeding further, I request you to kindly follow me on Instagram also. And my Instagram ID is also mentioned on the screen. Thank you. First I'm gonna do my skincare, and for that I am gonna clean my face with the help of this micellar water. I am taking a small amount on the cotton pad and just gonna wipe my face. Just be gentle on your face. Once the cleaning is done, the next step will be toning, and for the toning here I am using this rose toner from Mamaearth. It's the second step in the skincare. I am just taking a small amount on the cotton pad, and again I am going to just dab it on my skin. The toner helps in minimizing the pore size, and it is a most important, the basic step in the skincare routine. So always follow these steps before doing any kind of makeup, or in fact after removing the makeup as well. So once it is done, next I will be applying this eye cream, and I'm just going to take a small amount on my ring finger and just going to do a gentle massage on my eyelid. And the next step is serum. So here I am using this rose hip serum from Good Vibes. I am just taking 3 to 4 drops on my fingertips, and I'm just going to rub it, make it little warm, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm taking a little more and applying it on my neck as well, so that my whole face, even including the neck, becomes hydrated. Here I am using this moisturizer, and for the moisturizing I am using this Good Vibes cream, coconut cream, and I'm just giving a gentle massage to my skin. Next I will be using this lip balm from Biotic, applying it on my lips before doing a makeup, so that my lips becomes hydrated. Here I have applied a concealer on my eyelid, and I'm just blending it with the help of this blender. And always use a wet blender, and as I don't want my base to be very heavy, so I am just taking this a base from Bobbi Brown. It's a very mild base, so you can just take it as a cream and you can just apply it all over your face, guys. It's a very effective product, and it gives you an instant shine on your face, like the glow. Here I am using my buffer brush, and I'm just doing a circular massage so that I get this polished look, and you can see the glow on my face. Next I'm just going to set this base with the help of this TL powder, and this one is from Sugar. It's a translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face so that my base is completely dry. Here I'm going to fill my brows with the help of this PAC brow kit. Here I am using this palette from Huda Beauty, and I have taken the lightest shade among all these, and I am trying to build my crease with the help of this color. Next I have taken this the glittery color. It's not exactly the glittery, it has a mild shimmer in it. So I have just applied it on my eyelid, and to get more depth I will be using a little brown color on my crease area. Here I am applying this kajal pencil, and it's from Smashbox, and it's a great, I mean the kajal pencil, it's a kohl pencil. So next I am gonna just define my eye using this gel eyeliner. Here I am again using the same brown color, and I am using it under my waterline to get little smoky effect. The eye makeup is done. Next I will be just using a powder contour, and I'm gonna do the powder contouring on my face, on my cheek area, on my jawbone, on the, see, on my double chin also. Next I will be using a blusher. I'm using this blusher from MAC, and I'm applying it on my cheekbone. Here I am using this MAC strobing cream, applying it on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbone, on forehead for the highlight. As it's a day makeup and I don't want it to be very heavy, so to get that natural glow, I'm using this MAC strobing cream. So I have applied it on my chin, on my cupid, and then the forehead, and you can see the natural looking glow on my face. Next I am just gonna shape my lips with the help of this lip liner, and it's a nude shade. I am just defining my lips, and here I am using the lip color, and it's from MAC, and it's a very pretty peach shade. And all the product description will be mentioned in the comment box along with the links. If you want to buy any of these products, I will be sharing you the links as well. And here comes the final look. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.